Anita with Anita by Design, and welcome back to Sewing with Babylock Soprano. Today, in episode number 8, I'm going to teach you how to change your sewing machine needles. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is make sure that the needle is in the raised position. Then we're going to lower the presser foot. Then over on the operation panel, we're going to press the presser foot and needle exchange key. And the reason we lowered the presser foot before doing that is because if it's in the raised position when you press this button, you'll get an error message. And this locks up the machine so that when you're changing the needle, the machine will not operate. Then we're going to go and raise the presser foot. Okay, the first thing we're going to do before changing the needle is we're going to place a piece of fabric or a piece of paper under the needle, over the needle plate, so that the needle doesn't fall through the machine while we're changing it. Then we're going to grab the needle with our left hand, and using the screwdriver that came with the machine, we're going to loosen this little black screw by turning it counterclockwise. And then we'll just pull the needle out and remove it. Now, before replacing your needle, you want to make sure that you are using a straight needle. You do not want to install a crooked or bent needle into your machine. Your needle will have a rounded edge on the front, and on the back, it has a flat edge. What you will do to test to see if your needle is flat is you're going to place your needle on top of a flat surface. So I'm going to use this box. I'm going to place the needle with the flat side down on the top of that box. And what I'm looking for is any gaps. So you'll have to look at it really closely to make sure there are no gaps. And once you have determined you have a flat needle, you can install it. And the way we install the needle is we're going to press it or place it under the little opening here, and you're going to push up. Now there is a stopper that prevents the needle from going any further. You want to make sure that you push the needle up until it hits that stopper. And once you have it in place, you're going to tighten the screw by going or turning it clockwise until you have tightened it, making sure that you don't over tighten the screw. And then you're going to tug down to make sure the needle is in place, and your needle is installed. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button below, and don't forget to come back and join me for episode number 9. Until then, remember, when you live in your design, it is from there that God shines. That means when you live according to the way that you have been created, it is from that place that God will use you and shine through you. I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.